final part of workbook window. But this part video is mainly going to talk about how we can save and share our workbook windows. We have already seen how we can work around with the workbook window, its features and everything. And this one is now talking about how can we save and share that workbook window with other people. Thank you very much. Let us meet. Let us go to the computer. Yes, teachers, we are going to look at how we can save and share our workbooks. These workbooks can be saved depending on the name of your choice. They can be shared with different parties. Now let us see how we can save one. May I have a workbook here. It's book 3, and possibly I've written the word teachers there. I've increased the size of my word so that it can easily be seen, teachers. Now I want to save it. When I go to save, there are two options. I have save and then save as. When do we use save and when do we use save as? Save as is usually when we are going to have to give a name to our document for the first time. Mine is, it has book 3, but it has not been given a name. Possibly now let me call it teachers. I've typed there teachers, and I can choose whichever format I want. It can be PDF, it can be Excel template, it can be Excel 97 2003, which is the compatibility mode, or we can even save it to the normal Excel. Choose the file as save type, and then after that you can press save. So on top here it will read teachers and it will be in the format. You may have left mine in this Excel 2013. However, if I've already given it the name, like mine, I've already given it a name, so whatever I add there, teachers are good. I can save. Just press save, or I can even come here and press save. This time it won't give me the dialog box because I've already given it a name. However, if I press save, for example, I've opened a new one. If I press save and the document is new, it will take me to that. You see, it has taken us to the save as dialog box, meaning that whether you have saved it or not, you have to first give it a name. Before you give it a name, save won't work until you give it a name. Save only works if the document already has a name, but save as can be used to give the document a name. Generally, all these things we are trying to talk about here, save and save as, are the same things which have been written here. You can go through if you need, but you never forget to choose a location. For example, if I decided to resave this document, I can say save as, and then I choose. This time it was put there. This time I can say let it go in documents, or let me go to the computer somewhere and save it somewhere where I need to save it. After that, I'll press save. That document will be saved in that specific location of your choice. Then we can also use save as to make a copy. Like I've made a copy. I had saved it initially in a different location, and now I've also saved another copy in another area. It can be used to give a name, but at the same time, if the document has a name and I want to save it in or to make a copy of it, I can use save as. Then after that, sometimes when power goes off, we tend to have auto recover document. It will always show you the document recovery. So whenever there is that document recovery, you can always find the documents you had made previously, and you can always click on them. After clicking on them, they will always display. They will always open. Now, by default, Excel auto saves your work every 10 minutes. However, for you, you can decide to edit that auto save version. You can edit it and then give it the time you want it to save. For example, if I want it, I will go here in options. When it opens, I go to save, and then here it says, you are seeing here it is reading 10 minutes. Me, I may reduce it to 5. And I say, that means every after 5 minutes, it will auto-save. It will auto-save your work. So if power went off possibly, or anything happened before you saved, it would have at least saved, made for you those changes you had made to your document. How do we save? We can also save our work. We've already seen this in your Office 2013. There is export, but if you go to Office 2010, instead of export, we have save and send. Here you can create a PDF or XPS document. You can change the file type, or you can even just come here to make things simple. You can as well come to save as, and you choose whichever version you want here of your document. After that, you can send the document. Remember here there is the difference between save as and then this one here, there is exporting. Here it was talking about X and sending, save and send. That means after saving, I can send my document to wherever I want to send it. I can send it as an email, put it as an attachment. I can save it as PDF and then attach it to an email, send it as SPS, attach it to an email, or even send it as a fax, depending on your, what you want to do with that document. Then the ideas which have been talked about here are the same things which you need to do, like the ones I've tried to explain to you. These ones are for Office 2013. In our level challenge, at the end of this video, I request you to create a new blank workbook. Use the save command to save the workbook to your desktop. That is now our location. Save the workbook to Open Drive or Google Drive and invite someone else to view it. If you are not familiar with using Drive, then save it to your desktop and send possibly to a friend via email. You can also put it in the discussion forums if they are there, and then so that people can really see it. After that, you can also export your workbook as PDF, or you can save it as PDF. Thank you very much, and we'll meet there next time.